was waiting for the Japanese yen pairs to align, and then we will take those trades. I just executed some of the trades, and I want to give you the setup so that you can join me and trade along. You know, on this channel we are actually doing a project. We are trading a $500 account, and we are taking that to $10,000. And I am very transparent with what we are doing here. Everything we are doing on the channel is real. There is nothing that we are keeping away from you, right from idea generation, the fundamental analysis, the technicals, until we execute the trade. And after executing the trade, I give you update about those running trades. So I encourage you to click on the subscribe button and be a part of this channel. You can come here every day and you receive live updates and swing trading signals that you can go on to trade with. And if you are looking for a way to improve your trading education, following this analysis every day can really help you. Let's go straight to the chart. If you look at the trades here, you can see that yesterday we analyzed some of the Japanese yen pairs, and I told you people to be patient. They will come to the entry and then we will execute. Okay, so today the account is 1,595. Remember, we started this week with 1,600 and something, but if you go to the history, I closed some trades at a loss. Euro AUD trade, I closed there. The reason I did that, I learned that whenever you spot a trade that is not going to work, do not keep it running in a loss. You will keep the profitable trade running for a long time and cut the losing trade, and that is what I just did here. So if you come to the running trades, you see here that I have so many of the Japanese yen pairs that I have taken, and the trades are in a profit of around 182 US dollar. Although the trades are just in the beginning stage, we have a long way to go. I just executed all of them because they are Japanese yen pairs. I make sure that the risks across all of them is within a very tolerable level. Some of them very soon I'll be moving them to break even so that the trades can be allowed to run up probably to the end of Friday and next week. Some of them I'll be keeping them till next week because they are swing trading positions. When you look at the analysis here, after the Federal Reserve Bank released their interest rate decision, the Swiss National Bank also posted, and the Bank of England also posted their interest rate decision. When I added all the economic data together, we arrived at this rating. And based on this rating, you can see that the Japanese yen has continued to weaken. Okay, another currency that is getting weak also is the Swiss franc. So the Swiss franc is getting weak. The Japanese yen is getting weak. Then the top two, you are seeing there that the pound is still the strongest currency, and it has even acquired more strength this month compared to how it performed last month. And then you look at the US dollar as well. The US dollar, although it's exposed to tariff, it is doing well fundamentally. Okay, so when you look at a currency like USD JPY, ordinarily from the statistic here, you should be taking a buy on that currency. For GBP JPY, you should be looking for a buy. For GBP CHF, you should be looking for a buy. Then another point you need to note here is that Canadian dollar is also doing well. New Zealand dollar is doing well compared to how they performed last month. So all the Japanese yen pairs are in a buy against the Japanese yen. All right, so when you come to the chart, if you look at the card JPY, this trade, in our analysis yesterday, I told you to wait for it to come to the 61.8 fib level, and that was exactly what it did. It came to exactly the 61.8 fib level and tapped there, and it is beginning to push up. Then if you go to the daily time frame, you will notice that this trade has the potential of actually pushing back into this level. So the risk to reward ratio is going to be high. You are going to be risking a little thing to make up to 5 times of whatever you're risking. Very important. For the pound Japanese yen, this trade has already started playing. From here, it pushed up. This was our previous entry. We took some profit there. Then if you come to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that this market came here to the 61.8 fib level and started pushing. So this was where we executed the trade. Another currency pair we have taken is GBP CHF. In our last analysis, I told you when it was pushing from here that it is coming towards our entry zone, but but we can also wait for it at the 61.8 fib level, which is this level. So the market came there, and when it tapped there, I saw that it was ready to keep pushing up. So that was where we executed that trade. And another thing is New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Look at it. This trade pushed from here, broke that trend line and started pushing. It did not actually give us a retracement. So I asked you guys to be patient and wait for the trade. So the trade actually played back to our entry zone, touched the 61.8, and we had to execute the trade. Very important. And the final trade we took was AUD JPY. It actually gave us a very nice entry. So the trade pushed up there and came back to our entry zone, and that was where we triggered the entry. So all these trades have the potential of giving us a reward of up to 5 times. And remember, they are all Japanese yen pairs. So don't be surprised if all of them are doing anything, they will perform the same way. But you can see here that I entered a lot of the Japanese yen pairs and I am monitoring them. I'm going to close some of them. I'm going to move some of them to break even. But overall, we're going to be making money. One of the currencies that we have not looked at is US dollar, Japanese yen. One of the students chatted me, asked me if he should take this trade. So when I saw the setup that it was good, I had to also take that buy position. If there is any currency you want us to analyze tomorrow, drop it on the comment so that I will do it in my next video. I encourage you to join the Weldds Forex Academy. You can see what we are doing here is a product of education. You knowing what to do, getting the skill, proper trading skill is going to help you a lot. We took this account from $500 where we started to where it is right here. Join the Weldds Forex Academy to learn how to trade. If you cannot afford the full payment, chat me. I'll give you a coupon code, around 30% coupon code that you can use to enroll. And if you want me to trade for you, yes, if you meet the condition of $5,000 and above, look at the description of this video. You will see a link to my WhatsApp. Chat me directly. I can connect you to the team and will be trading for you. You can trade with any broker of your choice. The money is with you. We only trade and share in the profit. Okay, so thank you for watching. I want you to come back tomorrow for another video. We'll be looking at different setup for next week. So see you tomorrow.